Hooking, unhooking the trailer is part of your test for your Class 1, your tractor trailer Class A license, and it's L.A.P to unhook the trailer. Landing gear, airlines, pin. Do it in that order every time. You won't drop the trailer on the ground. You won't rip the airlines off. Those are what happens to many veteran drivers. They get in a hurry, they get the order out of sequence, and they do one of those things. And you know, managers, operations managers, dispatchers, they get really excited when you do that. So first thing, put the dollies down. The dollies are a little weird on this. It does not have a crank handle. It's just a pin, so it's going to take me a little bit to get them down here, but I'll get them down for you. No, just leave it there. I'll be right back. Like and subscribe to the video to become part of the Smarter Driver community. As well, if you want step-by-step instructions for coupling and uncoupling a semi-trailer, click the link up in the corner here, head over to the Smart Drive Test website. I'd also like to thank Doorbell Rentals for supplying the equipment to make this video possible. So the first thing I should have said was the ground will support the weight of the trailer, which it will. We've put blocks under the dollies. Airlines are unhooked. Now we do the pin. And normally you want a fifth wheel puller. This is my fifth wheel puller because I don't really have one, but this works here. Pull the pin out. Go underneath. Jaws are open. Jaws out, bolts out on the front. Now I pull forward so the kingpin is out of the fifth wheel, have a check, and then I drop the suspension. Gloves off in the truck. Okay, kingpin is out of the fifth wheel. We're going to put the suspension down. We dump the suspension on the back of the truck. Now we pull forward until we're completely out of the thing. Stop just before the trailer gets off the back of the truck and make sure that the ground is supporting the weight of the trailer. The ground is supporting the weight of the trailer. It's off the truck. We're good to go. We just need to move forward back in beside the trailer and then hook it back up again.